an inequality question. Your answer, as you already stated, it needs to be an inequality also. So the first thing is you just want to figure out what kind of a cubic function you're dealing with by taking everything to one side first. So here you would start off by this and then that, right? So it's x times x, which is like x squared, and then x times 1, which is like x, negative 3 times x, which is like negative 3x, and then negative 3 times the 1, which is like negative 3, right? The 12 goes over to the left, so you have minus 12, and then this is 0. Are you still there?
Yes, I'm still with you.
So from here, you then want to solve for x, right? So you'll have x squared, and then 1 minus 3 is like minus 2. Negative 3 minus 12 is like negative 15, right? And then from here, you now want to keep in mind that you're dealing with a smiling parabola. So this smiling parabola, you can draw out like a rough sketch. So this rough sketch, all you need to do now is to
Oh, wait, can I quickly answer before you carry on? So is the answer minus 3 smaller than x, and x is smaller than 5, so x is in between?
Well, whatever we're gonna do, the 5 and the 3, or the, I think you said you had, so this is, so basically your answer, yeah, I think those are the two numbers we're going to use, right? But to verify how our answer is going to be laid out, firstly, we need to keep in mind, this is asking us, where is this graph? Below 0. So it's below 0 here, right? Yeah, so starting from this x value up until this x value, that's the part where it's below 0. So we have to find out what is this x value, we have to find out what is that x value. So to do that, we need factors of 15 that give it 2, which is 3 and 5. Right? So 5 and 3, but then to get a minus 2, it has to be minus 5 plus 3. Like if you factorize this expression.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So now when you solve for x, you'll be dealing with positive 5 and minus 3. Because remember, here if you were to solve for x, right, you would have x minus 5 equal to 0, and then solve for x. And then again here you'd x plus 3 equal to 0, and then solve for x. So solving for x here, you'd get x is equal to 5. The other one would be minus 3. And then what else? Yeah, here now you would have positive 5 here. And here on the left side, you'd have minus 3, you see. So your answer, you'd have to say your x value is between negative 3 and 5, you see. So you can actually say something like x is an element of negative 3 up until positive 5 with round brackets, because this is just saying smaller than 0 and not like smaller or equal to 0. Another way you can write it out is you can either say x is bigger than minus 3 or x is smaller than 5. Two ways to answer the same question. Do you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how you would answer a question like this one. And as you say, this is from the algebra course. So yeah, you can see why it's good practice to go through these kinds of questions.